So welcome back guys to another video. So today I'll be speed running my scrolling platformer game. So I will try to beat this as fast as I can. I'm not that good at platformers, but I think I can probably do it in 3 minutes. Let's try it. Go with the green skin. 3, 2, 1. Trying to go as fast as I can. Okay, took me about 12 seconds to beat the first level. No, I died. See, it's not that perfect. So 30 seconds has passed. I need to go a little bit faster. No, this is kind of hard actually. Not that good. What's this? Hit the spike before I hit the jump pad. So I can make this thing real quick. Wait for it to be done. Okay, good. Okay, done with level 3. Level 4 now. Let's see if I can do this faster. No, it's not. I forgot. I didn't get that last fruit. No. Why am I so bad? If I do really bad on this one, I can, I guess, try another time. Try it again. Beat level 4, level 5, and I have 5 deaths right now, which is not that good. So I added like 2 extra levels. Yes, okay. So I actually did it in like 2 minutes. That's actually pretty good, I guess. Thought I'd do way worse. So I'm gonna try this one more time, see if I can beat this score. So 120 seconds. Let's try this one last time. So let's play it. And also one last thing, if you can beat my high score, be sure to post it in the comment section below and tell us what time you got, or you can post it on the Scratch project I have. Let's play it. I think I'll do better this time. Okay, this time I get it guy right there. This time I'm doing even better, I think. Pass this part. Let's go. Activate this thing. Wait for it to go up. There we go. Boom. Okay, so it's about 40 seconds right now. 30 seconds in. I think this is much faster than the last time. Boom, okay. Wow, I think I can do this in like 90 seconds, maybe a minute and a half. Oops, that was bad. Why am I dying here? Can I pass this? Yeah, okay, good. Okay. Get this. No, I jumped right before I went in the jump pad, so that's why. Acting like that. Okay. So we're doing decent this time. A little bit better, I think. Good. Okay, boom. Okay, 100 and about 104 seconds. That's about a minute 40 seconds. Minute 45. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you can beat my score, please let me know. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.